Making colloidal silver using Spooky2. Hello, in this video, I will show you how to make colloidal silver using Spooky2-XM Generator. First, let's see what we need to make colloidal silver. We need a Spooky2-XM Generator, a Spooky2 Boost, a cable with alligator clips, a pair of silver rods, a magnetic stirrer, a container, and a cover. Before we start, we need to clean the silver rods and the container and rinse them with distilled water and use napkin to dry them. Do not use tap water because they may contain certainly unwanted impurities and chemicals. We have already put the distilled water into the container, and then we put the silver rods into the container. Here we need to notice that the distance between the two silver rods must be maintained at 1 inch or greater, both up and down. Next, we connect the generator to the silver rods. First, we connect Spooky2 Boost to the generator. Then we connect alligator cable to the colloidal silver pot and use the other side to clip the silver rods. Now, we put the agitator of the magnetic stirrer into the container and put the container on the stirrer. Don't forget to put a cover on the container. Here, we use a plastic wrap. It can prevent the dust into the water and causing it to change color. Now, we connect the generator to the computer. All the connections are ready. We turn on the generator and launch Spooky2 software. First, we need to calculate the time for making colloidal silver. Go to Utils and choose Colloidal Ionic Silver Calculator. This will open a new window, and here you enter the parameters to calculate how long to run your colloidal silver generation system. By calculation method to calculate the program generations, you may change any field in the calculator. First, let's enter the distilled water volume. Let's see the volume of our distilled water. It is 300 milliliters, and we enter here 300. Then we enter ppm. This is the desired parts per million. We suggest setting this to 20 ppm, and this is the strength on most commercial colloidal silver. For current, if you do not have the tool to measure the current, or if you do not know how to measure it, simply enter 0.2 milliampere. This is a very rough and average estimate. You can see the total time is showed besides the duration. Please take a note of the duration minutes. We will need it later. If you have a TDS meter, you can make colloidal silver using the by measurement option to monitor the TDS reading during the manufacturing process and enter the values to determine the ppm concentration. We do not recommend using the fields of by measurement, since a TDS meter means total dissolved solids. Colloidals are not dissolved solids, so we do not recommend this. Now we go to the Presets tab, choose Miscellaneous, Colloidal Silver Generation JW. Then go to the Programs tab, enter 450 after gel multiplier, and go to the Control tab to run the preset. Okay, now we can turn on the magnetic stirrer. The speed is not critical. Do not rush the manufacturing process. Slow is better. Okay, thanks for watching this video.